So I was saying, oh my God, there's hair there. Okay, no big deal. So shower actually, okay, that light doesn't work. Shower looks good. So kind of weird. You got a his and hers, I guess. That's what you call it for the shower. Actually updated shower, not bad. And then we got cigarette butts. I mean, who leaves their house like this? This is disgusting. But I get paid to solve problems. I don't get paid to get perfect houses and make a lot of money just from buying ready-to-go houses. So the handyman told me, I believe I'll show you. So this was about $250. Lay it down, put that there, sheetrock. So I get a handyman there. He's actually the guy that inspected the property for me. Could include that with it, probably pay an extra $50. And then I'll show you what else we got in the garage here. So the garage looks good. Cleaning, obviously needs some cleaning here. But so this water heater is shot. It's leaking. Hot water doesn't come out of it anymore. So I'm just gonna suck up the $500 to $600, buy a new one, because this property, it can obviously get a conventional loan. So I wanted to pass with flying colors and to get the most money possible in a quick amount of time. So it's gonna probably pay $150. Yeah, so it's $400 for everything, $250 there, $150 here. So it'll be $400 to replace this, and it'll probably cost me an extra $500 to $600. So we're looking around $1,000 rehab right now, from what I can see. Most likely there's some BS expenses that always happen. So let's say $2,000. So really, things are looking good here. So let's check the outside. So the roof looks good. There's basically no neighbors on this side. Friendly neighbors over there, but so this is all no neighbors. Perfect. So obviously there's a dog. Let's see if I can open this. Okay. Let's look around here. We're just gonna get rid of these things. Should look good. I'm really not gonna repaint this. Nice backyard. So we're gonna clean that up. Something there, we're gonna probably replace that. Make it look congruent. We have a jacuzzi in the back, which the seller graciously let me keep. Just so glad. Told her she needed to get rid of it. She kept the jacuzzi, so I can't keep that at my home. So yeah, backyard looks perfect. Beautiful backyard. Screen looks great. No problems there. Good Florida CBS house, 1,800 square feet. A lot of stuff to update. This is probably one of the nicer houses I buy. So we're looking good here. Hey guys, so right now I showed you the before. Let's show you some receipts, what I'm gonna do to wholetail this. So today is, I'm gonna show you. Today is Wednesday. Let's see. It is Wednesday the 24th. So we bought the property about a week ago, had a letter, kept some money back. So today's the 24th, Wednesday. We are looking to put the property on the market Monday, pushing it hard. You know how I always do it. Save some more money, make some more money. I'm trying to put it on the market Friday or Saturday. That's a quick secret. Plans Monday. If we get everything done in time, everything goes good, we could be able to do it on Friday. I don't know what I'm gonna list it at yet. I think 164.9 is a good, reasonable number. I think I'm gonna get 155, 160 for the property with a realtor. But I'm gonna list it 169.9 or 164.9, see how it goes. So we're at 102. We're gonna be at 105 total for everything. So if you include the BS costs, we're at probably 107, realtors, closing costs, everything. So at 60, that'd be 53,000. Hopefully we can make this a $50,000 deal. We'll see. So I'm gonna show you the quick process. So what I need to do now is I need to go to the city, turn the water on. I can do that all online, but to get this property, get the water on, the guys got to work on it tomorrow. So that branch just fell on me, wow. Okay, so I gotta go to the city. It's like 5 minutes away. I'll ensure the water gets on today, because I need the work to get started tomorrow. If not, I can do it online, probably save 30 minutes, honestly 20 minutes, and they won't turn the water on for like 4 or 5 days. So time is money, everybody. So I'm gonna show you Home Depot. Gotta buy myself the paint and get the water heater. So show you that, and then we'll show you the finished product, and then we'll show you us putting the property in the market. We'll show you and then the closing and everything. So for the 4-part series will be the end, the profits, analysis, everything. But right now we are going to go to Home Depot and we're going to see what we can find with the water heater. Okay, so right now I got the handyman help me do the flooring here. He's going to come back, fix this problem. Wall is done, leak is gone, and let's see here. Kind of a flooring job here. He took some flooring from here, put it in there. This flooring's from like 2005, so we couldn't buy any more. So we had to take it in and put the closest thing possible, you know. Let's see here. And the only other thing he did here was he replaced this nozzle and then put that new $400 water heater in. So he got paid about he's gonna get paid like $600 in total for the labor and about $400 in materials that I had to pay for. Whoopee. So we're about $1,000 in this rehab already. I'd say cleaning a lady $200. We're in at $1,200. So we're gonna see the progress after everything's clean. We're ready to throw that baby on the market in about 2 or 3 days. Okay guys, so this is obviously the smoker's house. So I'm gonna show you a quick tip here, what to do. This is what I make our the cleaning ladies do. So you take this, just put some vinegar on it. I'll show you why your house is gonna smell bad, how to magically solve it. Just going on. White. Here. Just wipe this around and show you how bad that is. So that's all nicotine. That's disgusting. Makes me want to throw up. So that's how if you're gonna do the wholetailing yourself, you're gonna clean it. If you find a cleaning lady who's got a team, supplier like 10 gallons of vinegar, she can do it herself or the team. So that's what I do, scrub all these walls down and clean the coils out with the HVAC guy and clean all the air ducts. Should be about $30 per air duct to clean out, and then the HVAC, a real good job, about $400 to $500. So this is day 2 of the Wholetail rehab. And as you can see here, the rehab is complete. Let's show you what's going on. So it looks like all the floors are cleaned. We got all that vinegar off, the nicotine, got the floors. Probably get this cleaned one more time. We gotta do one more drywall repair in here, but I'll have them come and mop one more time. Looking good here. Got this all replaced. New shower head. Throughout here, we're looking good. Go to the living room. All disgusting nicotine is off. Can't even smell anything anymore. Cherry wood cabinets. Looking nice and clean here. So, rehab's not bad at all. Good price. All right, looking good here. And the 2 bedrooms here. So that concludes the rehab and step 3. Right now we are going to go into step 4, which is putting the property on the market and closing it.